See, look what I'm holding y'all the phone. See, the guy go by the name of Billy the Frizz. This guy. So I do it. See this? I'm showing y'all the photos. Billy and Ben. So y'all see me holding this. Y'all see the King, the card on here. Of course, my last name is King, King. My middle name is Joseph. And my first name is Kevin. I'm gonna show y'all something else. So y'all recognize this guy here. Look at this. This guy is Billy the Frizz. The guy go by the name of Billy the Frizz. See y'all? And see right here is Ben. See he got the long hair. See, he got the long hair and everything. And he got the gray, he got the gray t-shirt. Cause my t-shirt is white. Y'all see it? See, look at the long girly hair. See, he got Ben, he got the girly hair. Girly hair. He got the girly hair. Girly hair. Girly hair. Girly hair. See, this is the other photo. Look at this. This is the same one though. Y'all see it? See the same one? See, y'all see it? So I put it in my other hand. See, y'all recognize it, y'all. This is Ben. I just showed y'all his other friend, Billy the Frizz, the big old baloop, fat guy. I know why I was trying to say I didn't say white though, but he was to be big. He lost weight. Billy the Frizz, he lost weight. He was to be a big old balloon. Billy the Frizz, boop, 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 boop. He was to be a big old fat ugly, big old fat balloon. Sorry, I didn't mean to say ugly. I'm gonna say he was to be a big old fat balloon. Billy the Frizz, he lost weight. Billy the Frizz, he lost weight. Cause I think he was over like 400 pounds or something. Billy the Frizz, 400 pounds. And this is his friend right here. Ben. Bambi, 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 Ben. Bambi, Bambi, Ben. So this is the last photo. Look at it, y'all. Show you this way. This is the same one again. Ha ha ha. Same one. Same one. Look at this one, y'all. Y'all recognize these two? The same one again. See, y'all, I just showed you this one already. This one. So I already showed y'all this. See, it's Billy the Frizz. The guy was supposed to be overweight. He was a big old blimp, like a big old blimp, fat balloon. I know he was a big old blimp, a big old fat balloon. Billy the Frizz. Cause I think they call him Billy the Frizz because he loved the refrigerator. He loved eating food out the refrigerator. Like, So he like eating food out the refrigerator, Billy the Frizz. Cause I eat food all the time. I'm gonna eat after I get through with my video right here. I'm gonna eat, and 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 eat. Look at it, I'll show y'all this already. Y'all see it again? See, they go my king card right here. My king card. And look at this, Billy the Frizz. See, he was saying the first he was to be fat. You see the refrigerator, you see the fake old refrigerator.